Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create domain in SWF service on AWS. Amazon Simple Workflow Services helps developers build, run and scale background jobs that have parallel or sequential steps. You can think of Amazon SWF as a fully managed state tracker and task coordinator in the cloud. If your app steps take more than 50 milliseconds to complete, you need to track the state of the processing and you need to recover or retry if the task fails. Amazon SWF can help you. In this tutorial, we'll cover about to create domain in SWF service on AWS. First of all, you need to switch your AWS console and log in your account. This is my AWS console. Here click services and search SWF. Here you can see the button of SWF. Click the button. This is the dashboard of SWF. Here I will show you how to create a domain. For that, click Launch Sample Walkthrough. Here you can see the steps and sample workflow details. The sample workflow implements an image processing application. In this application, an image is downloaded from our public Amazon S3 bucket. A selected transformation is applied to the image and the transformed image is then stored in a S3 bucket that you specified. Each time you run the sample workflow, you can choose one or two transform, grayscale conversion or sepia conversion. Here click Get Starts. Here enter the domain name. And click Continue. Your domain name is successfully registered. Now click Continue. Here you can deploy the code for your workflow and its activities. You can deploy the code from the Amazon EC2 micro instances. Here I will select complete the walkthrough without deployment and click Continue. Your domain and activity types is successfully registered. Now go to the console. Here click Manage Domains. Here you can see the domain. If you want to register the domain, click Register, and here you have to enter your name and you have to enter your workflow execution retention period. That means you have to mention here how much of days the workflow will be continue, and here enter the description and click Register. Your domain will be the registered. Or else if you want to deprecate your domain, that means if you want to remove the domain or if you want to deactivate your domain, for that click Managers and click your domain. Here you can see deprecate. Click deprecate. If you click deprecate, your domain will be deactivated. After that you won't be access your domain. Click deprecate. Your domain is successfully deprecated. Hereafter you can't able to access this domain anymore. In AWS SWF, you can able to deprecate your domains, but you cannot able to delete your domains. In SWF, given free tier 2, you can create maximum of 100 domains. You cannot able to create more than 100. This is the method to follow to create a domain on SWF services in AWS. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.